Have you ever considered the impact of hygiene when flying? This year in Saudi Arabia, more than 2.2 million passengers were protected from transmittable diseases while traveling. How? Thanks to WAYAKIT, a Causa spin-off hygiene tech company revolutionizing cleaning and disinfection products. WAYAKIT has partnered with Saudi Ground Services to make sustainable impact, as SGS cleans over 200,000 aircraft annually in KSA.
With our product, we will be able to reduce 37.4 tons of hazardous chemicals that are not longer released to the environment, and we are providing a safer solution for all people and the planet.
The partnership between SGS and WAYAKIT is important because we have helped them to not only increase the cleaning efficacy of the aircraft, but also reduce operational costs, and most importantly, protect the cabin crew and the passengers from toxic compounds.
This integration of academy, entrepreneurship, and industry promotes hygiene, health, and sustainability from Saudi to the world.